Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's project is weighted tip prediction application. We have created this application using Streamlit. So it is basically a web application. So this application will predict the tip that a waiter is going to get. So in order to predict the tip, we need to give some input values to the following parameters. Like the parameters are total bill, gender, size. Here size is the total number of people on a table, day, time, and whether the waiter is smoker or not. So let's enter the values. Total bill is 1000 rupees. We will keep the gender same. Size is there are 3 people. Sunday. It's dinner time. Waiter is not a smoker. So we have entered all the values. Now let's click predict button. So here you can see that this application has successfully given us the value of the tip that a waiter is going to get. You just need to give some input values to these parameters on the basis of which it will predict the values. So if you want to get the code for this project, you need to click on this file section. From here you have to go on to app.py file. So here it is a source code for the project. You can see the code. Using this you can build the web application. Thank you. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.